3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're encountering issues with PUBG Battlegrounds on your PC, where the game keeps freezing or crashing, don't worry. There are a few straightforward steps you can follow to resolve the problem. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. In the Steam library, locate PUBG Battlegrounds and right-click on it. From the context menu, select Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files. This will open the game's installation folder. Inside this folder, navigate to TSL Game Binaries Win64, where you'll find the tslgame.exe file. Right-click this file and select Properties. In the Compatibility tab, ensure that both the options for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator are checked. Afterward, click on Change High DPI Settings. Check the option for Override High DPI Scaling Behavior and set the scaling behavior to Application. Click OK. Then apply the changes. Repeat this process for the ZecPUBG file as well. After this, close the folder and return to Steam. Right-click on PUBG in your Steam library and choose Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will ensure that all your game files are intact and not corrupted. Once the scan is completed, close Steam and move on to checking your system's Windows settings. Open the Start menu and search for Settings. In the Settings window, click Windows Update and press the Check for Updates button to make sure you're running the latest version of Windows. An outdated system could cause conflicts with your game, so updating is essential. Once your system is up to date, head over to the Gaming section and toggle the Game Mode option. Try disabling it if it's enabled or enabling it if it's disabled. Then launch PUBG again to see if that resolves the issue. If the game still crashes, go back to the Start menu and search for Device Manager. In the Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Allow Windows to search for the latest driver updates and install them if available. After updating, close all windows. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Run, and in the Run window, type %temp% and press Enter. Select all files in the folder that appears and delete them. If prompted, click Do this for all current items and confirm. Some files may not be deletable, and that's fine. Simply close the folder afterward. Do the same process by typing temp without the percentage signs in the Run window and delete all files again. Afterward, try launching PUBG again to see if it works without freezing or crashing. If the issue persists, search for Windows Security in the Start menu and open the Windows Security settings. Under Device Security, click Core Isolation Details and disable Memory Integrity. Confirm any prompts that appear and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Lastly, once your PC is up and running, open PUBG again and try adjusting in-game settings. Set the display mode to full screen in the graphics settings. In the advanced settings, make sure VSync and motion blur are disabled. Additionally, try lowering some graphic settings, such as shadows, textures, and effects, especially if your PC is on the lower end of the performance spectrum. Apply these changes, and the freezing or crashing issue should be resolved.